Good morning, Wilson Creek students and staff. Today is Monday, April 20th. Another week of remote learning is ahead of us. We have loved seeing the work that you've done and what you've been posting. It's so wonderful to hear your voice on your recordings, and we are so proud of you. We know you can do this for another week. I knew that your teachers were awesome, but boy, are they doing a great job when they send you those videos. I love seeing them teach on video. Who knew that they can do that? I feel just as proud of them as I do of you. Hello to our McGowan family. A shout out to our Green family, starting with Miss Bauer's class and Mrs. Cubic, Mrs. Neighbors, and Miss Darley's friends. Hello to all of our responsible McGowans. Happy birthday today to Kyle Hosty, Olivia O'Sullivan, Luke Worsbinsky, and Miss Roselle. Happy birthday to all of you. Please stand and join me for our pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today I will do my personal best. What I do today will make a difference. I will listen, I will follow directions, I will be honest, I will respect the rights of others. I can learn, I will learn. All right, have a wonderful Monday, Wilson Creek. Bye.